Tips and tricks for selling a house in a homeowners association in California. That's our topic today. We'll get started right after this. When you are in the process of selling a loved one's house that is in a homeowners association community, there are important things that you need to disclose to potential home buyers. As a certified probate real estate advisor, I am here to help you navigate this process. And this is how to sell a house in a homeowners association community. And in California, homes in an HOA has its perks and drawbacks. And it is important to disclose to potential buyers the covenants, conditions, and restrictions, or CC&Rs, and bylaws available for your HOA rules. Your buyers need to review the CC&Rs to ensure they understand the HOA rules expected of them. As you can imagine, in California, it's critical to provide these documents to them. The other material fact that must be provided is the homeowner association's financial information to ensure that your homeowners association is financially solvent and managing the money from the homeowners association dues every month in a responsible way. This documentation should include the past 12 months of minutes of any homeowners association meetings. It's important that you know that the HOA documents are typically around $400. We order them from the HOA. They will then package them up and send them to the escrow company. This is after we have negotiated an offer with a great buyer. It's important that we order them ahead of time because experience shows that if we order them once we open escrow, it could take up to 10 full days to get these HOA documents. So what my team and I do, we make sure that we order the documents before we even put the property on the market. That way we have them and we pay the normal fee. Instead, if we had to pay a rush fee, it could be an extra $200 or more for the same documents. So one of the things we have in our system of tasks to do is we get ahead of buying those HOA documents, paying for them ahead of time, and saving the expense of an extra $200 or $300 or even more dollars for a rush order. When selling a house or condo, we want to make sure all the available facts are given to the buyer via the homeowner association CC&Rs or other documentation. The more information we provide, the more transparent we can be, and the better the buyer can adjust accordingly. And when selling a house, the easier your closing process will be. Sometimes an executor, administrator, or trustee will come across previous HOA rules or homeowners association documents. And I'm asked, why can't we just use those and not pay the homeowners association transfer fee? Well, I share that we don't use any old documents because we want to be sure any liability does not fall on the estate and you as the estate representative. And again, we need those 12 months homeowners association meeting minutes, and that would not be available in old HOA documents. It's really important that we never touch those HOA documents. We pay with a credit card and they go directly from the homeowners association to escrow. And that will protect you and the estate. That, let's say something's missing in the HOA documentation. We wouldn't know. It's up to the buyer's agent to check all those documents and make sure everything is there that the buyer should be getting so that they can make sure that they understand the rules, the regulations, and even if there's a supplemental bill that's going to be coming up for possibly a roof repair or something like that. Now, going back to getting the 12 months of minutes, frequently they aren't there. And that's where the buyer's agent is supposed to check through all the documentation and make certain that the HOA 12 months of minutes that are available are actually with the buyer so that they can read them over. And it's a big issue when there aren't the 12 months of minutes because it's crucial information and it could be missing, including pending special assessments that the complex will be collecting, again, for like a roof repair or exterior painting. When these pages are missing, theoretically the buyer could come back and request the expense be taken care of by the seller even months, if not years later. But if we haven't touched the documentation and the buyer signs off on them, we cannot be held liable for any missing meeting minutes. Again, a buyer's agent should review the documentation for the buyer and make sure that they are complete. And I say should because it frequently doesn't happen. Again, when selling a condo or a house, it is important to provide the HOA documents to the prospective buyer. And we want the buyer to have all the HOA documentation within their inspection period. That's why my team orders the Homeowners Association documents before we put the property on the market. That way we have everything needed to disclose to the buyer once we've negotiated an offer and opened escrow. Again, this is an important step because if the buyer is not aware of the HOA rules and regulations expected of them, they could face fines or violations in the house or condo they now own. We want to avoid this scenario by providing full disclosure. So when selling a house or a condo in California with a homeowners association, we need to give the new prospective homeowner a copy of all the HOA rules and documents with the CC&Rs to ensure they are okay with the HOA rules and regulations expected of them. Our escrow officer will contact the homeowners association on your behalf, request the documentation, and then submit it directly to the buyer. We also need to disclose how much the homeowners association fees are going to be and when they are due, as well as whether the homeowners association has any litigation pending against it. As certified probate real estate advisors and experts with helping personal representatives through the sale of a home in probate or trust administration, we are here to lead, guide, and protect you and the estate every step of the way. Hope you found this of value. If you did, please subscribe, hit the bell button, like, do all the things so that other people in your exact circumstances with these kind of questions and concerns will find this video.